Om Sri Sai Ram, my most humble pranam at the lotus divine feet of Mother Sai. Today we start our computer class. First of all, join your hands, close your eyes, start three Omkars. Om. 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 Sai Ram. Today we start lesson number 7, Introduction to Flash. In this chapter, we learn about the Flash software. How do we use the Flash? Imagine browsing a website that has just text and still images. That would be boring. So how do you make a website more lively? The answer lies within Adobe Flash. You can use Flash to create image called graphics. You can also import graphics files that have been created with the help of other software. You can use Flash to create still as well as animated text and image for your website. In the Flash you can create a image or text animated, means moving. Some actions are there, some movement are there to your text or image. First of all, how to start the Flash? To start Flash, follow these steps. First of all, click on the start button and then all programs. Then after, click on Adobe and then on Adobe Flash Professional CS6. This is the name of your software. After opening your Flash, how do you create a new Flash document? First of all, click on the file and then after click on new. The new document dialog box opens. Look at this picture. This is the new document dialog box. Then after click on the action script 3.0 file type. If it is not already selected, by default it is selected, but if it is not selected, you have to choose it 3.0 file type. Then after click on OK. A Windows 7.2 figure 7.2 you can see here appears on the screen. This is the Adobe Flash window. This is the Adobe Flash window. Adobe Flash CS6 window is this is you can see like this. The Adobe Flash window has various parts. There are so many parts are there. First is the stage. Where is the stage? This is the stage. It is like a canvas where you can arrange objects such as graphics, videos and buttons. You can arrange the objects, graphics, videos and buttons on this stage. Then after tools panel, where is the tools panel? Yes, this is the tools panel. Tools panel, it is used to select objects on the stage, create text and draw picture. There are so many different tools. Next is property inspector panel. It displays the properties of a selected object. Next is the timeline. It controls when the object in an animation will appears on the stage. Additional panels. It provides some more formatting and animation tools. These are the different parts of the Flash window. Now we learn in a details. First of all, we learn about the tools panel. The tools panel can be found on the extreme right of the Flash window. All the drawing and formatting tools that can be used to create and modify text and image are located here. The tools panel is divided into 4 sections: tools, view, color and options. There are 4 sections of tools panel. The tools section contains tools for selecting drawing and painting graphics. Below the tools section, in the view section contains tool for viewing the stage. There are the hand tool and zoom tools are there. Hand tools. What is the use of hand tool? Hand tool is used to move the different parts of the stage. To use the hand tool, click on the hand tool icon, then click anywhere on the stage and without releasing the mouse button, drag the mouse to move to different parts of the stage. The hand tool is used to move the different parts of the stage. You can move by using this hand tool. Then next is the zoom tool. The zoom tool is used to adjust the closure with which you want to see an object. Whatever object's part you want to see in a zoom closer, मतलब नजदीक से आपको zoom करके देखना है, that time you can use the zoom tool. Then below the view section, in the color section contains tool for changing colors of an object. This consists of the stroke or outline color tool and the fill color tool. The stroke color changes the boundary color of the object's shapes, whereas the fill color tool changes the color inside the object. In the color there are two options are outline and fill color. Outline means that's a boundary color. Outline or stroke, that's a boundary color, and fill means to fill the color in a object. Next is the option section. In the last section, in the tools panel, it contains additional options availability for a selected tool. The options vary according to the tools that has been selected. That are the extra options of whatever tools you selected in that particular tool. If options are there, you can see in this option section. Next is the property inspector panel. On the left side of the tools panel, in the property inspector panel, this panel displays the properties specified to an object such as line, text and images. Thus it varies according to the object that has been selected. For example, if you select the line tool, the properties common to all the lines such as color and thickness will be displayed. It is also depending on your tools, whichever tools you selected or whichever object you selected, that's the properties of that particular tools or object. Suppose you select the line, here the thickness and color, all that things will be displayed in this property inspector panel. Next is the selection tool. To selection tool is used to select a single or multiple object on the stage. Now how do you select? Click on a single object to select it. The object can be stock, fill, group or text block. You can select the object by single clicking. Then double click on the lines to select concerted line. If you want to select the particular line only, you have to double click on the line. And double click on the fill to select a fill shape and its outline. Then after, drag around object within a rectangular area to select them. Then hold down the shift key and click to add object to a selection. Next is the line tool. The line tool is used to draw a straight line. To use the line tool, follow these steps. Click on the line tool in the tools panel. In the properties inspector panel, do the following. Click on the stroke color to open a list of colors. Select a color from the list. Type a number in a stroke height box to change width or thickness of the line. You can also move the slider to increase or decrease the width. Then click on the drop down arrow of style to open the list of various styles and select a stroke style. Then click on the drop down arrow of cap to open a menu consisting of the start and end style for a line. Click on the stage and without releasing the mouse button, drag it to draw a line. By following these steps, you can draw the line. Here you can see line is drawn. How to draw line. Change the color and width. कितनी आपको मोटी width चाहिए line की, you can choose from the here stroke height, stroke color. Then is the pencil tool. The pencil tool is used to draw line and shapes using freehand, just as you do with a pen or pencil. To draw a shape not available in the tools panel, use to pencil tool. To use the pencil tool, follow these steps. First of all, click on the pencil tool. Then in the property inspector panel, choose the color, width and stroke color for the shape to be drawn. Then click on the stage and drag to draw the shape. Release the mouse button when the shape is drawn. Same as pencil, we are using that in a paint. Same freehand drawing. You can choose the color and height of your stroke. Choose. Then after you can draw the any freehand drawing on the stage. Here are some shapes are there. Rectangle tool. The rectangle tool is used to draw a rectangle or square. Whatever you want to draw, you can draw. In the rectangle tool, there are so many options are there also. Rectangle tool, oval tool, rectangle primitive tool, oval primitive, polystar. There are different shapes are there. Whatever shapes you want to draw, you can choose it, and you can also choose the color to fill in that particular shape, or the outlines color also you can select. All the changes you can do in a property inspector. Next is the eraser tool. You can use the eraser tool to erase the drawing or a part of it. To use the eraser tool, follow these steps. How do you use the eraser tool? Click on the eraser tool in the tools panel, and then to change the shape and size of the eraser, do the following. Click on eraser shape in the option sections. In the option section, you can choose the different options are there. Click on a suitable shape and size for your eraser in the list that opens. Then click on the stage and without releasing the mouse button, drag on the portion of the drawing you want to erase. जैसे हम लोग पेंट में माउस की बटन प्रेस करके इरेज करते हैं, सेम थिंग यू कैन इरेज any part of your object on the stage, and you can also just select your eraser size. Here you can see in this picture using the eraser tool. Next is the paint bucket tool. The paint bucket tool is used to fill color in a shape. To use this tool, follow these steps. First of all, click on the paint bucket tool. Then in the property inspector panel, choose the style and stroke. Click on fill color to open a list of colors. Choose a color for the shape. Click inside the shape to fill color in it. Paint bucket tool is used to fill the color in your shape. You can choose a color from here. Whatever color you want to choose, you can choose the color. Next is the text tool. The text tool is used to type text. To use the text tool, follow these steps. In your stage or your drawing or page, you want to type some text. You can use this text tool to type any text. Click on the text tool in the property inspector panel. Follow these steps. Choose a font from the family drop down list. Choose a font style for the style drop down list. Type the font size in the font size text box. Type a number in the letter spacing text box to define the space between two characters in the text. Choose a color for your text from the color drop-down list. Then click on the stage and type your text. There are so many options are there. Choose the font style, color, spacing. All the options are here. In the property inspector, there are so many options are there. You can choose and select all the option. Select the color, font size, font style, and how much space you want to give in a two characters. And then after completing this, you want to type, you can click in a stage and start the typing. After completing your drawing object and typing text, you need to save your work. Saving a document. To save a document, follow these steps. How do you save your document? Click on the file. Click on a save to open the save as dialog box. Enter the file name in the file name box. Click on save to save the file. Adobe Flash CS6 file are saved with the extension .fla. All of you remember this. This is the extension of Adobe Flash Player 6 CS6 files. फ्लैश की जो भी फाइल होगी उसका एक्सटेंशन क्या होता है .fla. This is the extension of your file. Then how do you open your saved file? To open your saved file, click on file, click on the open. The open dialog box appears. Then after, locate the file and click on it and click on the open button. Your file will be opened. Now all of you understood how do you create a new file, how do you draw the shapes, fill the colors, how do you type the text in your stage, and then after completing your document you have to save it, and how do you open your file, saved file. Now chapter is over. Keywords. Stage. A canvas where objects such as graphics, videos and buttons are arranged. That's called the stage. That's the main area where we can do all that things. Then tools panel, a panel that has tools. You can use the select object on the stage, create text and draw graphics. Tools panel where the so many tools are there. To do all that things we can select any one tools. Then property inspector panel, a panel that display the property of selected object or selected tool. We can see all the properties of in a property inspector panel. Next is the timeline, a controls used to set the sequence for a moving. That's called a timeline. All of you write in your notebook keywords and summary. Our lesson is over. Next time I will send you exercise. All of you complete that exercise in your notebook or textbook. Now join your hands, close your eyes, do the Santri mantra. Om Santi Santi Santi. Sai Ram. Take care.